Hello guys, welcome in next part. First, I will type the code, then explain what it does. Our first application will do nothing more than show a line of text on the screen /console. To do this, our application uses std:/cout std:/, end to L is instructing to end the line. So let's test it. Press this button and press yes. That's our program. Now our program waiting to input from the keyboard. If we're gonna press anything, it ends. So after doing this, our program exits by returning 0 to our operating system. At this point, you will need to know how to pronounce the special characters and keywords. Let's start from line number 1. The first part of this line we can call #include or #include or #include. It all depends on where you came from. So this #include is a preprocessor directive. It's a tool which runs before the actual compilation. Preprocessor directives are commands to preprocessor and always start with the #sign. So in our application, #include IOStream. This line is including the content of the file IOStream. IOStream is a standard header file that is included because it contains the definition of std:/cout, which we are using later on in the code. We can also say that IOStream is a standard input-output stream library. Let's look now in the next line. Here we are going to see the main body of our program, which is in this case main. It is characterized by the function main. You can have only one main function in the program. It is standardized convention that function main is declared with an int preceding it. For main function, int is a returning value type. Okay. Let's discuss this line. std:/cout hello world std:/, and L. Cout, other words, console out, is a stream defined in the standard namespace std. What you are doing here in the line is putting the text hello world, which is in the brackets, into the stream by using the stream insertion operation, which is this. By inserting std and L, which is the return and line. In other words, you are inserting carriage return. So let's repeat now. By inserting std cout, you are starting the stream. Next, your text, and after you insert std and L, which is the return. You need to remember that you need to use an insertion operation every time in a new entity. Okay. System pause is instructed to wait for any input from the keyboard. If we will not have this line, our program will automatically quit. Now, return 0. Functions in C++ need to return a value. Main is a function which always returns integer. Conventionally, programmers return 0 in event of success or -1 in event of error. By doing this, you can program your application in a way that the return value of the main is either a success or error state. A few things to remember. C++ is case sensitive. You will have some errors if you write capital int instead of lowercase int, like this. Also, those brackets in line and here are defining what is in the function. On each statement you need to put a semicolon. To make comments which are ignored by the compilation process, use /. They are usually green. Or if you want multi-line comment, use /*. To end, //. Let's try this one.